Oumuamua, which is an object that we detected in space that you believe could possibly have been extraterrestrial in origin, meaning from some sort of...
We contemplated the possibility that there might be hidden forces and civilizations lurking in distant galaxies. But there was little concrete evidence of this before the arrival of Oumuamua, our first interstellar visitor, who showed up mysteriously and then sped off to outer space. Now, Joe Rogan, host of the popular podcast Joe Rogan Experience, is fascinated by the recent unsettling discovery that Oumuamua has returned and is now on a trajectory toward Earth. The big question is, why is this mysterious and controversial entity making its way back to our planet? Let's find out. With our knowledge of space and advanced technology, the identification and classification of objects spotted in space should be a straightforward task. However, the story of Oumuamua differs significantly. Oumuamua is a space object that has perplexed scientists and astronomers, earning its name, which translates to a messenger from afar arriving first. This object originated from deep space, or what we commonly refer to as interstellar space. Interstellar space is the vast expanse between stars, beyond our solar system. Occasionally, objects from interstellar space can enter Earth's solar system, but Oumuamua was an unexpected visitor that left us puzzled. The initial aspect that captivated scientists was Oumuamua's unusual appearance. It had an elongated shape resembling a sausage or hot dog. Initially, scientists considered it to be an asteroid. However, asteroids typically have rounded or irregular shapes and orbit the sun within our solar system. Oumuamua, on the other hand, exhibited a distinct shape, reminiscent of a finely crafted or engineered object. Furthermore, it did not follow the typical orbit around our sun-like asteroids do. Consequently, Oumuamua quickly became a subject of controversy due to its extraordinary characteristics and its defiance of conventional explanations. It was during this time that the renowned podcaster, Joe Rogan, became intrigued by the mysterious nature of this flying object. He invited Avi Loeb, an Israeli-American theoretical physicist and published author, to delve deep into the mysteries surrounding Oumuamua in one of his podcast episodes. Loeb did an exceptional job enlightening the podcast audience about the nature of Oumuamua and the possibility of its extraterrestrial origin. Unfortunately, due to its rapid departure from our solar system, further exploration of Oumuamua proved to be challenging. However, to everyone's surprise, Oumuamua has resurfaced and is now transmitting signals to Earth. Joe Rogan, having conducted extensive research, recently aired an episode in which he revealed a wealth of information about this mysterious object. Stay tuned to uncover the latest revelations about Oumuamua and what might happen when this object finally makes contact with Earth. Upon its arrival to our solar system, Oumuamua immediately defied the conventional rules of space travel. Typically, space objects move at consistent speeds relative to other celestial bodies. However, scientists quickly realized that Oumuamua was traveling at its own unique pace, sparking controversy and speculation that it could be a comet. Comets are icy bodies in space that develop tails as volatile materials vaporize off their surfaces due to the sun's intense heat. If you've ever witnessed a dazzling ball of light streaking across the night sky, chances are you observed a comet. Unlike asteroids or planetary bodies, comets can reach speeds of up to 100,000 miles per hour, depending on their distance from the sun. Oumuamua's remarkable speed initially led scientists to believe it was a comet. However, it lacked a critical feature of most comets, the escaping tail gas. Oumuamua's peculiar movement through space did not resemble that of a typical comet. Some researchers theorized that it was expelling gas from its sunlit side, propelling it like a rocket. However, this theory faced a significant obstacle: the absence of detectable escaping gas, and consequently, a tail. If Oumuamua were indeed a comet, scientists would have been able to confirm it. Even as an interstellar object, it would have displayed some common characteristics. In 2019, another interstellar comet named 2I Borisov was discovered. This comet behaved like a typical rogue.
A new government report is raising eyebrows across the country, especially among anyone interested in extraterrestrials.
Astronomers were excited to discover the interstellar object last year.
Neither an asteroid nor a comet, a new theory emerged. It could be a fragment from an exoplanet. This theory suggested that an asteroid had collided with a planet outside our solar system, sending fragments hurtling through space. From the moment Oumuamua was first observed on October 19, 2017, using the Pan-STARRS-1 observatory in Hawaii, it became a captivating mystery. The Pan-STARRS-1 observatory, an acronym for Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, houses a colossal telescope equipped with one of the world's largest digital cameras, boasting 1.4 billion pixels. Its primary purpose is to identify potential threats to Earth, objects that could collide with our planet and cause damage. When astronomers operating the telescope spotted the enigmatic object streaking through our solar system, they concluded it was something unprecedented and named it Oumuamua. Initially, astronomers believed Oumuamua resembled a tumbling sausage-shaped object. However, its true form was revealed days after it passed through our solar system. Measurements indicated that Oumuamua had dimensions of 377 by 364 by 62 feet, disproving the initial cigar-like shape and revealing a pancake-like structure. As Oumuamua approached its closest point to the Sun on September 9, 2017, it exhibited astonishing speed, traveling at approximately 196 miles per hour. Furthermore, its orbital trajectory around the Sun suggested that it was not merely influenced by gravitational forces, but originated from beyond our solar system. The notion of an alien presence exploring our solar system caused controversy and panic within the scientific community and the general public. Oumuamua's propulsion appeared to surpass the forces typically observed in comets or other celestial bodies, and it exhibited a continuous, deliberate push. It seemed to accelerate as it sought to escape the sun's heat and return to its extraterrestrial home. These peculiarities led many to believe that Oumuamua was an alien spacecraft. Theories arose suggesting it could be an extraterrestrial probe, akin to our Voyager spacecraft, powered by an unknown internal energy source rather than conventional fuels. Determining the origin and age of Oumuamua presented a significant challenge. Obtaining a live sample or a close-up view of the object was impossible due to its extremely high velocity. Earth-based telescopes lacked the necessary resolution to capture a clear image. Consequently, scientists initially surmised that Oumuamua had a cigar-like shape until later observations confirmed its pancake-like structure. This method involves utilizing the sun's radiation as a source of propulsion. According to Loeb, as photons bounce off Oumuamua's surface, they generate energy for movement. However, this theory faced several flaws. Solar radiation can only propel tiny, lightweight objects with low densities, requiring a large surface area to capture sufficient radiation for propulsion. To gather more information about Oumuamua and potentially solve the mystery of its origin and nature, scientists turned to advanced computer simulations and modeling. By analyzing the available data and running various simulations, researchers aimed to recreate and understand Oumuamua's trajectory and behavior. These simulations offered valuable insights into the object's possible composition, shape, and potential origins. In October 2018, a study published in the astrophysical journal Letters proposed a plausible natural explanation for Oumuamua. The researchers suggested that the object could be a fractal dust aggregate formed in the protoplanetary disk around a young star. Such aggregates are composed of dust particles that clump together due to electrostatic forces, forming a loosely bound structure. This explanation would account for Oumuamua's unusual shape and lack of a visible tail. While the natural explanation gained traction, the possibility of Oumuamua being an artificial object or spacecraft remained captivating. The Breakthrough Listen project, which aims to search for evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence, even conducted a comprehensive search for artificial signals from Oumuamua. However, no evidence of artificial signals or any other indications of extraterrestrial technology were detected. As time passed and Oumuamua moved farther away from our solar system, it became increasingly challenging to gather additional data. Eventually, it became too faint and distant to observe effectively, leaving many questions unanswered. Before we explore Joe Rogan's concern about Oumuamua's sudden return to our solar system, let's find out where in the universe this mysterious object comes from. What does Oumuamua's characteristics say about its origin? Oumuamua, the mysterious object that originated from far beyond our solar system, continues to perplex scientists as they strive to unravel its true origin.
Initially, scientists were worried that they might have received a message from extraterrestrial life when they observed a spinning object in space that emitted regular radio signals to Earth every 18 minutes. The object was deemed impossible, but still caught their attention.
According to this hypothesis, Oumuamua would have embarked on an astonishing 600,000-year journey to reach our solar system. However, recent developments have cast doubt on the Vega theory, leading scientists to explore a wide range of alternative possibilities. Some scientists now suggest that Oumuamua may have traversed our galaxy for billions of years, passing through over 20,000 star systems during its journey spanning hundreds of thousands of years. While this may seem like an immense time frame, it is relatively small compared to the age of our galaxy, estimated to be around 10 billion years old, with approximately 200 billion stars. Given the duration of Oumuamua's interstellar odyssey, astronomers speculate that its encounter with our solar system may mark its first interaction with a new stellar region. This hypothesis gains support from Oumuamua's trajectory, which closely resembles the movement of neighboring stars as they rapidly pass by our sun. Some even liken Oumuamua to a harbinger of calamity, similar to wandering asteroids that pose potential threats to Earth in the future. However, the narrative becomes even more captivating when astronomers like Garrett Levine of Yale University present a compelling idea. Oumuamua might consist of fragments of ice expelled from the rocky disks of far-flung planets, which now routinely find their way into our solar system as interstellar debris. In 2017, Project Lyra was launched as an initiative inspired by Oumuamua, with the sole goal of developing a spacecraft capable of traveling at high speeds to intercept interstellar objects like Oumuamua and Tuai Borisov. The project aimed to achieve this by utilizing an innovative light-sail spacecraft. It is projected that the Lyra project will launch a dedicated spacecraft between 2030 and 2033, which is expected to reach Oumuamua by 2047 or 2049. The realization of this ambitious endeavor is within reach due to significant advancements and innovations in spacecraft technology. Joe Rogan, with his characteristic blend of curiosity and skepticism, has been engaging with scientists, researchers, and experts to explore the potential implications of Oumuamua's return.
It was the very first object that visited our vicinity in the solar system from outside the solar system. It moved too fast to be bound to the sun. Very first
Nations, such as outgassing or fragmentation, to more exotic possibilities, including the notion that Oumuamua could be a thin, flat object propelled by radiation pressure. The controversy surrounding Oumuamua's nature, origin, and potential implications for Earth has sparked a renewed interest in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. Some researchers argue that Oumuamua's peculiarities warrant a closer examination of the possibility that it might be an artificial object, perhaps a probe sent by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. While this idea remains speculative, it underscores the need for continued vigilance and exploration as we navigate the complexities of our cosmic neighborhood. Subscribe for more amazing videos.